welcome back again to our YouTube channel. This is Mathematics with Engineer Apps. Now we have exponential equation on the board here, which is very simple, but I want to show you the three methods that you can use to solve this. So it is upon you so that you go through them, then you pick one method that you shall be using when you come across a question like this one. So the question is 9 raised to x 3 to power 2x minus 1 is equal to 53. So let's look at the solution. But before we look at it, in case you are watching us for the very first time, please take a second or two, click that subscribe button so that the next time we produce a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. Let's go back here. So let's look at the first method that you can use if you are given such question. So we have 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to 2x minus 1 is equal to 53. You know this is a number, so the first step is to take that negative the other side. So we have 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 54. Then since we have to base 3 here, and this is 9, so change 9 raised to x to base 3. So we have that is 3 raised to 2, multiply by that x which is remaining up there, plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 54. So the third law of indices, when you apply the third law of indices, which is a raised to m n is equal to a m n, you can multiply out. So applying that third law of indices, you can say this is 3 2x plus 3 2x is equal to 54. So you can see there is 3, we can factorize 3 to x here out because it is here and it is common also there. So take it out. So we have 3 raised to 2x into 1 plus 1 is equal to 54. Then that is 3 raised to 2x multiplied by 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, is equal to 54. So divide both sides by these 2. So when we divide by 2, divide by 2, then you have 3 raised to 2x is equal to 27. And remember to base 3, so make sure you change 27 to base 3. That is 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3. So you can see now if the bases are the same, then we compare the indices. So that one means now we have 2x is equal to 3, and you can see our x is 1.5. So that is the first method that you can apply. When you reach there, you just make sure you take the common value outside, then you proceed like that. Method 2. Again, just take that one the other side. So we have 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 54. Then change this 9 to base 3. We have 3 raised to 2x plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 54. Then you can say let the common value, because 3 raised to 2 is here and there, let 3 raised to 2x to be a certain value, maybe t. Then we have t plus t is equal to 54. Then 2t is equal to 54. Then t is equal to 27. Then now you recall because we don't want the value of t, but we want the value of x, and we can recall here and replace that one. So we have 3 raised to 2x is equal to t, and our t is 27. So you change that one to base 3 as usual. Then we have 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to 3. Now when the bases are the same, you compare the indices. So the 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1.5. That is the second the second method. The third method that also we can use, third method, which is the last one. Once again, just take that one the other side. So we have 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 54, is equal to 54. Then you change this one to base 3, which is 2x plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 54. So what I want to do, I want to break this one into two, separating with the addition sign, because to base 3, the values to base 3, which is the same. So that one we have 3 raised to 2x plus 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2 is 9, and again 3 raised to 2 is no. So we are going to go, for us to break it, is going to be 3 raised to 3, which is 27, plus 3 raised to 3. I hope you're there with me, because now 3 raised to 3 is 27, 3 raised to 3 is 27, and 27 plus 27 is equal to 54. So our equation is still intact, because this also is the same as that. So the corresponding, this one corresponds to that, and that you compare that, or you can only take one and compare. So you pick one, 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to 3. Then you can see the bases are the same, so you can compare the indices, and we have 2x is equal to 3, and you can see x is equal to 1.5. As easy as such. So either one of the method here will just lead you to the correct answer, which is 1.1. Thank you so much. If you learned something, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.